Your last name, first name, and then the company email. Okay. So what do you use? Okay. What do you mostly use? What do you usually use in your email? What do you usually use in your email? You use?
Write to me.
Yeah, wait. Okay. Write to me.
Currently, I am working with customer uh, by email, and email is also is also an evidence for
Evidence
uh, for own for own business.
for own business.
Yes,
Mhm. Okay, so mostly, uh, company email is used for business, and some personal email, of course, you will use it personal. Am I correct?
yes.
Okay. So we have here. Okay, so we have here. Okay, before you read the passage, talk about this question, Miss Huyen. Number one, how can email be useful in business? How can email be useful in business? Number one question, how can email be useful in business?
Uh, you say you as I said be said you before, email is also an evident in business, and we usually use email for working
Oh, for work.
and for yes, and for um discussing um, discussing for discussing from the content of working between us and the other.
Okay. So in the company email, so of course it's very helpful in the business. If you have company email, that's for business. Very important. Number two, what problems, Miss Huyen, can be caused by email? What problems can be caused by email? What problem can be caused by email?
Um, sometimes my confirmation is not correct, and we maybe missing miss maybe missing some maybe miss some information, but we just confirm via email, so we cannot cancel this information, and that's cause uh, nguyên nhân that's cause the other that's cause the other use or email or evident
Okay, so
purpose or
one
evident
of that is
for
evident. What do you mean by
for
evident?
making evident purpose.
Ah, okay, okay. Meeting evidence purpose. Okay, so number two, the question again,
Yes, for
Miss
making
evidence purpose. Ikaw, Miss Huyen, can you hear me? What problems again can be caused by email? If you write
yes.
email, okay, wait ha, I will write.
When you write an email, you may be you may be right right wrong is not correct, so information is not correct, but that is the that's cause um that's cause the other use the email for making evident purpose. You can hear me clearly?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's quite choppy. Quite choppy. Okay, but it's okay. I can hear. Okay, so please see my message. Email, you may write wrong information that cause the other email evidence purpose. What do you mean by that? What?
Mm. Yes, okay.
Okay, is that okay? Okay, look at.
Have no idea.
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Can you see my
yes.
message? Wait.
I see. I saw it.
Most likely there are lots. Um, there are lots of multiple problems.
Most like there are lots of reasons why sending email can cause multiple problem.
Okay, so can you see what I wrote? Okay, so number two, vocabulary. Please check the vocabulary. Oh my God. Wait me, ha? Wait me. Why it exit? So yan, wait me, ha? It exit.
Any reason, a lot of reasons. Follow. You can show me some reasons why sending email can cause multiple problems.
Okay, wait me for a minute. Uh, some of ay subject. Okay, subject ay misinterpretation of ayun na sa pagtuon. Some of those reasons are misinterpretations of mail to properly. Wasn't able to send properly and it goes to the spam message. Okay, please check Miss Uyen my message.
Yes, I just see the message. Some of the reasons as misinterpretation of email or email wasn't able to send properly and it's go to the same as spam message.
Okay, so some of the reason is most likely
It's
there
go
are lots of reasons
I
why
read just
you read it.
that's one of some reason and it goes to the spam message.
Message it. Yeah, it goes to the spam message. Sometimes when you write and it goes to the spam message. Another is through reply. If you observe, another is sometimes causes delay. Okay, that's it. Please read. Sometimes the reply message causes delay. It causes delay.
Delay. Another digit, the reply message through is sometimes cause delay.
Delay. Cause delay.
You mean when you write an email to the other and they may be sometime delayed, right?
Yes, yes. There's a delay. There's a delay. Sometimes when we do reply, example, email, we reply, then there's a delay. We cannot read properly because of the reply. So unlike if you uh make a composed new message, you can read it properly. There is sometimes delay. Sometimes it goes to the spam message. You cannot read it because it's in the spam message. That is the problem with the email. Did you read it?
Yes, and I need
Okay. Please check here the vocabulary words. 1 to 5 with the definition. What do you think are the definitions from 1 to 5 to A, B, C, D, E? 5 on. Message out. Okay, wala na. Yung. Message.
Message attachment. Subject formal, informal. Being serious and official. Formal, adult, formal.
Being serious and official. What is this? What's the meaning? Being serious and official.
Formal. Formal.
Okay, formal, correct. The main part of an email. What is the main part of an email? It is the?
Subject.
Okay, correct. Subject. Being relaxed and casual.
Casual.
Being relaxed and
Informal.
casual. Oh, correct. Very good. A file that is sent along with an email. A file that is sent along with an email.
Attachment.
Yes,
Attachment.
attachment. Again,
That.
attachment. Attachment.
Attachment.
Okay.
Attachment.
Okay.
And I think the main part of an email is message, not subject, because
Okay,
the
that
title of an email is also subject.
okay. The title of an email, it could be a subject. Or title of an email, subject. Because here, the main part of an email, that is message. The main part of an email, message. You're correct, Miss Huyen. Correct. Very good. It's attachment, ha? Attachment. You read it as attachment. Okay, next one. Check the sentence that uses the underlined part correctly. Check the sentence that uses the underlined part correctly.
Mary's email address is
Okay, Mary's email address is mbrown.lucky.com.
that's
Okay, yes. Number two, if you forward an email, it goes to the trash box. Forward.
forward an email is go to the trust box. No,
Okay, no. Two, please read letter A.
please
Read.
reply true also. That's only lazy. Wrong, not correct.
Okay, not correct. If you click reply to all, because if
Number
you
two,
click
A,
reply to
not
all,
correct.
oh, not correct. B, delete old
That's
messages
because
from the
if you
inbox.
click rep through also, that's everyone that can
Oh, yeah,
see
yeah.
the
Yes, correct.
response.
Yes, correct, correct. Very good. So everyone can see. Letter B, delete.
Delete our message from the inbox.
Okay, next.
Names come before the delete our message from the inbox. Okay, correctly.
Name
And
come
names
before the
come
at symbol in most
before
email addresses. Underline, name come before.
that. I that's correctly.
Okay. Okay, letter A, correct or not correct? Names come before the at symbol in most email addresses. Okay, that is correct, right?
I
Correct.
think it needs correct.
Yeah, A is correct. Like, example, Miss Huyen, wait, Miss Huyen. Example, like, you will say, I sorry, where is it? Like, example, here, example, Huyen.
Anna,
Huyen at email.com. Oh, that one. Oh, your name comes before at mail.com. Okay. B, an option indicates that the email is about. Option indicate that the email
yes.
is about. Correct or not correct? Okay. Number 3. An option indicates that the email is about.
Case not correct.
Okay, not
Be not
correct.
correct because
Correct.
I just before I think a subject indicates what the email is about.
Correct. Very good, Miss Uyen. Subject is the one that indicates what the email is about, not the option. Okay, student A and B. Okay, so we have here student A and B. Please let us read and let us communicate. You send or read, Miss Uyen, read.
Did you get that? I didn't get an email from today. What address did you send is true? You send an important file to student B. Talk about receiving the file, investigating the problem, finding a solution, make up the name of someone you send is true. And student A try to send you an email. Talk about reserving the file, possible solutions, and address changes.
Okay, so here. So let us communicate. So student A, I am student B, you are student A.
Investigating the problem.
Okay, student A, you are student A, I am student B. You sent an important file to student B. Let us talk about this. Okay, go. First, Miss Uyen.
I'm a student A and you are also student B, right?
Oh, I am student B.
Okay, dear student B,
Mm,
I'm Hannah from Import Export Department of
mm-hmm.
BNC Company, and I'm writing to you uh, about losing losing our losing our goods for for last week shipment, and this
Mm-hmm.
is our bill, and you can find our bill in a text file. You can find our bill.
Okay,
Our
investigate.
that's
Okay, go.
beauty in a text file, and our schedule, our shipment schedule from Singapore to Vietnam on um, on 19 no and on 19 November 2024.
Mm-hmm.
And you can check our schedule at first and contact Miss Hannah from 11:14 in Singapore in advance for checking uh, for checking for checking Singapore's post post
Port. Port.
that's export post. Mm. That's and let me know if you have any question, and feel free to contact us for the more detail.
Okay, okay.
Thank and best
Y-
regards.
Okay, yes. Miss Uyen, the Zoom will end. Let us go back again to the internet, ha? Please join again. We will finish the conversation because it's only 1 minute in the Zoom. Okay, I will see you again. Please stay and then I will see you.